Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series, thanks to some early discoveries on the IMEI databases. Let's dive in and see what we can expect from Samsung's next flagship lineup. Recently, Android Headlines has spotted early references to the Galaxy S25 series on IMEI databases. According to their findings, the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra have made appearances, complete with various regional variants. This is a usual practice for Samsung, with different models for South Korea, Europe, and carrier-locked US case. But here's where things get interesting. Android Headlines has reported that they couldn't find any entries for the Galaxy S25 Plus on the IMEI databases. They went as far as to claim that there will be a radical change for the Galaxy S series next year, suggesting that Samsung might be discontinuing the Plus model altogether. However, it's essential to approach this claim with a healthy dose of skepticism. We're still at least 6 months away from the prospective release of the Galaxy S25 series. The absence of the Galaxy S25 Plus in the IMEI databases right now doesn't necessarily mean it won't be part of the lineup. On the other hand, Galaxy Club reports that Samsung is indeed developing 3 new Galaxy S smartphones internally, labeled as F1, F2, and F3. These correspond to the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, respectively. Based on recent Plus variant model numbers, such as the Galaxy S24 Plus, the Galaxy S25 Plus should be associated with the model number SMS 936. So, while it's exciting to speculate about the future of the Galaxy S series, it's crucial to wait for more concrete information before jumping to conclusions. We'll keep you updated as we learn more about the Galaxy S25 series. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Samsung will drop the Plus model, or is it just a temporary absence from the IMEI databases? Let us know. See you in the next video.